Quadratic Graphs Part 2. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. How do we use simple factorization to plot a quadratic graph? 2. How do we identify the relevant points needed to plot a quadratic graph? 3. How do we plot a quadratic graph by identifying the numbers using the completing the square method? 4. How do we make the distinction between various cases in quadratic graphs? 5. How do we express new coefficients in the completing the square method in terms of the original ones? 6. How do we plot a quadratic graph using the completing the square method? Introduction. So far we have learned how to plot quadratic graphs using quadratic formula. This is the most suitable method, as the procedure is standard and once understood, is easy to remember and use. However, sometimes you may be under pressure and can't remember the quadratic formula approach. This happens to many students in exam conditions. So, instead of losing time trying to recall this method, they may call on the help of any of the two factorization methods used to plot a quadratic graph. We will explain these in this tutorial. That is all for Introduction to Quadratic Graphs Part 2. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 15.2.1, using simple factorization to plot quadratic graphs. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.